boot it, give it a little. Whoa, okay, so you can feel that battery and the engine just pulling. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda. I'm one of your hosts, Aaron Lowe. This is my boy Chris R. As per usual, we are in the 2024 Mazda CX-90, but we're in the PHEV, the plug-in hybrid. This is the GSL trim. We're gonna go over some of the features and stuff that come in the GSL, but also we're just gonna take the old gal for a nice drive here and see how it handles, how it feels, all that good stuff. So right now we're in EV mode.
Yeah, we're full EV.
Full EV mode.
Silent as the night.
In full EV mode, this thing can go out 42 kilometers in EV mode.
Which is
if you need to.
Yeah.
I mean, you'll never do that because that's not the point of the hybrid. But it's available. Like when we're cruising through parking lots and stuff like this right now, you don't need to use the engine.
Save your gas.
Save the gas. Okay, you want to go in sport mode?
Oh yeah.
Go in sport mode and pin it.
This thing can haul.
There we go.
And she wants to haul.
The eSky Active PHEV. You got 42 kilometers on the EV mode, and then with the combined 2.5 liter engine and the EV battery, you're looking at a whopping 789 liters per 100 kilometer.
What?
Or sorry, the range. No, my bad. The range is 789.
That's good.
On a tank of gas.
Yeah.
Combined fuel economy, you're looking at 9.4.
Which is, again,
for an SUV this size.
Third row.
With the third row, that's massive.
It's incredible.
How's it feel?
Oh, I'm gonna have fun driving this thing.
Okay, boot it. Give it a little. Whoa, okay, so you can feel that battery and the engine just pulling.
Oh yeah, this thing is it's a sleeper, man. No one will think that you're gonna smoke them off the line in this car.
No,
and then you do.
Battery's also mounted under the floor, and what that does is it lowers the center of gravity for the vehicle, so the handling isn't going to be compromised in any way. In fact, it makes it a little bit better. It also doesn't compromise any of the cargo space. So there's no battery in the back, there's no battery under, a seat or anything like that. You're taking full advantage of the extra space that the CX-90 is going to offer over the CX-9.
Smart.
And then with the charge mode for the battery, basically you can go into a charge mode and then it won't use the EV mode at all. It'll use the brake-by-wire system to basically power the battery and charge it up, and you'll be able to use it at, its full advantage, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
You can go from charge mode, or you can keep it in hybrid mode, and then it'll charge it throughout the drive. But if the state of charge for the battery lowers at any point, it's just going to cut off the battery power, and it's going to go into full charge mode for you. So you don't even really have to think when you're driving this hybrid.
I think that's opposite to a full EV, right? Like you have gas and you have the battery, right? So if the battery does kind of run low, you still have the gas, vice versa. Where if you're a full EV, if your EV is running low, the battery's running low, like you need to go to a charging station ASAP.
Absolutely, for sure. And that is the key point for the hybrid. Like you have convenience, power, and fuel economy rolled all into one. It has the 8-speed transmission. They took out the torque converter, and it's just clutch. They replaced the torque converter. There are multiple clutches. The torque of the engine and the motor is transmitted directly now.
Cool.
Crisp, defined shifts.
It is.
Yeah?
It's pretty crisp.
You can feel that?
It's really nice. This 8-speed is always kind of keeping your RPMs low. Before, when it was just 6. When you're on highway driving, sometimes your RPMs are maybe revving at like 2,000 kilometers, like even.
Yep.
Kind of wish I had another gear or two to go to.
For sure.
This has it now. So it's nice.
And also the friction and the cooling has been optimized for the clutches. So it's even better. So with
the little battery, it says like almost empty on the battery side. That's just cool. That's like it shows the two different gauges at the same time.
And you're also in sport mode, so it's not going to kick in onto the battery.
Yeah,
anytime soon.
All gas.
All gas right now. Speaking of sport mode, with the MyDrive, which is equipped in all the 2024 Mazdas, it's also in the CX-50. It'll probably be in other Mazdas soon enough. But yeah, you got sport mode, off-road mode, just in case you need to go off-road in this bad boy.
Yeah, EV and normal.
and then EV and normal. So with the hybrid, you get the EV mode that you can just flip on and cruise in full electric mode. As far as the styling, like the interior is still just beautiful in the GSL. Like
It's, yeah.
This is just the GSL, and like it still looks beautiful.
Super nice.
It's got this nice finish on the front here. It's not really carbon fiber, but it's not really like it's plastic obviously, but like it doesn't have like a carbon fiber styling. It's something different. It's something I've never really seen before on in a Mazda. You got it all along the door panels here too. You got nice touch points, nice cloth fabric along the door line, black accents. You got the brown stitching on the leather seats. Just a really nice, very nice interior for the GSL. Panoramic roof.
Yeah, like you get a lot with this.
Yeah.
And it's just, yeah, so nice on the inside. It's a winner, baby. Can you do that impersonation?
I don't even know who you're doing.
Come on, that's like a movie or something.
Is that a movie?
I thought, yeah.
It's like an Austin Powers ripoff movie.
Oh, that's exactly where that's from.
Yeah, it's not from Austin. He says, yeah, baby.
No, but you're a winner, baby. He says that for sure.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
We'll find out. We know now. To continue on with the styling, we got a couple new colors. We got the rhodium white metallic, which is what we're in right now, and the artisan red metallic, which just, whoo, what a color.
Yeah, Mazda and their reds, like they just do a really good job with the red, and like no exception when it comes to the new red here.
They do, and like we get so many compliments on the Soul Red Crystal metallic, and now we got this artisan. Like, oh, it keeps getting better and better. The combined horsepower for the engine and the EV battery, you're looking at 323 horsepower. You've got 369 pound-feet of torque. The PHEV compared to the MHEV inline 6 turbo, nothing to sneeze at whatsoever.
No,
because in the base turbo, you got 280 horsepower, and then when you get the upgrade GTP or signature, you got the 340. So sitting at 323 across the whole model line for the PHEV.
A lot of power. A
lot of power, a lot of torque. It's probably the best package that you could get for this SUV.
Yeah, they did a nice job making sure that with it being such a large vehicle, that at no point do you ever feel sluggish like on the highway. So if you ever need to pass somebody, it's there, and you're not having to feel like you're just never going to pass or catch somebody on the road. They did a nice job reassuring that with the drive. What
do you like best about the PHEV? And specifically the GSL, because we are in the GSL, we want to keep specific to that. So
you get a lot with the GSL. Like you get the heated seats, heated steering wheel, sunroof. You still get like wireless Apple CarPlay, the wireless charging pad. The whole dash is digital. Like you get a lot.
It's a beautiful dash.
Yeah, it's super nice. It's updated. It's kind of what you would expect with like the 2024 models of any brand. And just with this GSL,
quite nicer than the rest of the other brands. Yeah, Mazda's better.
Obviously.
Any qualms?
Am I backing this thing up?
Sure, back it up. Yeah.
Any qualms?
Let's check out the camera. So this is going to be the standard GSL camera. We don't have anything upgraded for the GSL, but as you can see, it's a big improvement on previous years. It's still got a nice fisheye lens, nice panoramic view, guidelines. You're clean with backing up in this thing.
I would say the qualms that I have are the ones that were from the last video with the MHEV, where they just like, the third row cup holders or second row cup holders, are a little weird.
Yeah.
The cup holders, but other than that, like I think that they overall did a really good job with everything. They made sure that they kind of went all out on the CX-90 platform.
Yeah, I'm in agreement. I think specifically with the GSL, like I didn't like that like shiny carbon fiber look.
Yeah,
that the GT MHEV had. I just like this flat black. That all looks all very nice. I think the black center console or instrument panel down here looks really good. your heated seats, your heated steering wheel at the GSL. You got the nice leather seats. Like everything in here is fantastic. Like this is the perfect price point with all the features that you could want. You got all your safety features. You got all your collision avoidance stuff, all of your alerts, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, your driver attention alerts. Like the GSL is where you want to be. If you got the dough to spend to get to the GT, you're going to get a few more luxury features with that. But overall, I think the GSL is definitely the way to go.
Bang for your buck, pretty
Bang
good.
for your buck, yeah. Qualms for me, not much as far as qualms go. I think you got everything that you would want for the GSL. The biggest qualm for me is there's no black headliner. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, I would agree.
Okay, perfect. Also, I did want to mention too that with the third row in the GSL, you are getting a center third row seat, so you could fit 3 in the back.
Yep.
You know, you can't fit 3 of me back there.
No.
But you could fit
maybe 3 of me.
2 of me and
me.
And you, yeah, maybe. Or definitely 3 of you. Sure. But that's another great feature to add to the CX-90's repertoire is you got room for 8 technically.
Yeah, you can configure the seats depending on how you spec your 90 out, but you can they can go up to 8 or up to 8.
Up to 8.
Highest is 8, and then they can go 7 and then 6. So a lot of options.
A lot of options. Okay, well there it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can check us out on social media and YouTube by following us at Park Mazda. We've got all of our videos and walkarounds of the CX-90, CX-50, all of the Mazda lineup. We got more on the way. YouTube.com/ParkMazdaAB is where you want to go if you want to check out everything. We put walk around videos up every day of all of our inventory, so you can stay posted on all the new stuff that we're getting in stock at all times. Chris R., thank you very much for joining me on this adventure. It's been great.
I'll always follow you.
Great. Until next time, everybody, it's been our pleasure to serve you. We hope to see you very soon.
Goodbye.